Hello friends, today we are discussing about softwares a structural engineer must know. There are plenty of software for designing analysis, but in Indian practice, only few are mostly used. We are going to discuss these softwares. The first and most important software for structural engineer is AutoCAD. 70% of the work is done in AutoCAD because from the input drawings to the output drawings, all work is done by AutoCAD. You must have knowledge for AutoCAD as the most of the work is done in AutoCAD from drawings, sections, detailing for the structural drawings, from the project input to the output prints, all the work is done in AutoCAD. So you have to learn AutoCAD as there is a team of drafting persons, but you have to know AutoCAD and must learn. The second important software is ETABS. As you all might know, the most of the RCC structures are done in ETABS. The mostly analysis part is mostly done in ETABS. This is widely used software in our industry. For structural engineer, you must know ETABS. As the ETABS is the most important software in structural, you have to know thorough knowledge of ETABS as everywhere. ETAB is mostly used for analyzing as well as sometimes in designing. It is very user friendly software in especially in RCC structure. It is very useful for analysis, designing and reporting works. Most of the structural firms are prepare uh, ETAB software for analysis. So you have to know ETABs and otherwise they will not prepare you. So at least 50% knowledge of the ETAB you have to learn yourself or any other institutions you can easily find. The next software is StatPro. This is also analysis and designing software. This software is mostly used in steel industries. If you want to make career in steel structure, you must know the StatPro and you have to good hands on this software because in steel industries for analysis and designing mostly this software is very useful and preferable also. This is widely used software for designing and analysis of steel structures in for industrial project. Everywhere StatPro is commonly used. You have to thorough knowledge of this software if you want to go in industrial structural designing firm. You must know analysis, designing and at least basic knowledge for StatPro software. 90% of the firms in steel industries, steel designing, they are used StatPro as their main software, analysis and designing also. Software is RCDC. This is commonly used for RCC designing in most of the RCC designing firms. This is the designing software only. You have to analyze your structure in other softwares and import the analysis result in the software, and you can design in this software. This is very user friendly software and most commonly used, but only drawback is this is a paid software, so few of the firms are only use this software. This is very user friendly and accurate designing software as per IS code. This is only used for RCC structures, and this is very time effective also. You can design any of the RCC building in the software. The next software is SAFE. SAFE is a software used for slabs, footings. This is the only software for designing slabs, footings, combined footings, wrap foundations, mat foundations. You can design foundations like wrap foundations, mat foundations in SAFE. You can design any of the type of foundations. You have to learn SAFE. This is very similar to ETABS in the user interface. So if you learn ETAB, you can easily learn SAFE. You can design any type of foundation. Uh, you have to export analysis result, base result from other software like ETAB, and you have to design foundation for that. You can import also flat slab, and you can design flat slab in SAFE. This is most commonly used for flat slab and foundation design. SAFE is very important.